Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock adult channels on Telegram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, if this message shows to your Telegram channel, what you're going to do is go to your Chrome and then enter this address. After that, log into your Telegram account. And then once you're done logging in, go to the three lines at the top left corner and go to Settings. Now, find the Privacy and Security. After that, scroll all the way down and just check the Disable Filtering. And now after that, just restart your Telegram app and you can be able to see the adult content of your channel. And that's it everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.